So if you want to make a bookmark or a cat bookmark, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So for this you need a A4 size sheet of any color you want, a pencil, a ruler and a cutter or scissor. You can use anything according to your need. Now we have to here measure the some points, like I am using a 10 by 30 centimeter or 4 by 12 inches. You can vary the size according to your need. Now please mark here points properly so you got the proper shape here. Now cut it with a cutter or scissor. Now take the first part, and the second part you can use for another bookmark, but I am not using it. And with the second part you have to just fold it from right to the left section. So we have to make here a middle line, so we got a measure for the future folds. Now unfold it. Now we have to make a cross slash section to the top. Just take the right corner to the left like this and make a crisp fold. Take the left corner to the right corner as we have done below. Now we have this shape. Now you have to make a middle line in this cross section. So just rotate it from the top corner, take that rectangle and match to the below and make crisp fold. Now you got this type of shape. Now rotate it and take those flasps to the bottom and press the above triangle. So you got this double triangle type of shape. Now fold the upper triangle to the bottom. So you have to here measure this thing. We are making this line for future measurement. Now unfold the triangle like this. Now take the upper corner to the bottom section. So we are making here measurement for our future folds. Now unfold it. Now take the right flap to the left section. And now you have to make the right rectangle to the center line that we have made before. Like this. Do the same thing to the other side too. Please make sure you make some crisp folds so you got a proper measurement for this. Now you got this type of shape. Now unfold. So you got a square on the right side and the left side too. Now you have to fold it like I am showing here. Fold it to the inner part and you have one line that we have made before, and you have to match it to the corner right side. If you can't understand what I'm saying, then please see the video. For you, I also slow down the video here. You can see here, just make the left side to the inner part and just press from here and you got the proper shape like this. Now you got this type of shape, right? Now this is how it looks. Now we have to make ears of it. So just take the right side to the upper to the first layer. Same thing before, same thing to the left side. Now this is how it looks now. So now you have to just rotate it, and here you can see I'm just folding right side to the middle line. This is how you have to also do. Please try to make crisp fold and do this on the both side. If you are new at the origami, please use thin sheets so that is easier to you to fold. and please make sure you fold correctly. Now unfold it. Now take the upper triangle to the below like this. So this will create some shape like this. You have to fold as much as you can. I zoomed a little bit so you can see easily. Now this is how it looks from the bottom section and from the upper section. Now you have to make a pocket in this cute triangle, and you have to feed the right side of it to this. Like this, you have to feed it and press it from the above. Now do the same thing on the other side too. Just feed it and press that triangle. Now our bookmark is almost ready. Now you have to make a face. You can draw any face. I am drawing here a cat face. You can draw any face you want. Cat is more looking cute, so that's why I brought this one. And our bookmark is ready. Now just read the books, and if you forgot some page, or if you are reading the book and you don't want to read anymore, then just place that bookmark here so you can read that page whenever you start this book reading again. So if you like this tutorial, please consider subscribing my channel, like the video, and if you have any more suggestion regarding the origami and any of the arts and crafts, comment below. Thanks for watching.